Sanibonani, welcome back to yet another video. Welcome. Thank you so much for coming to Umkosi Nophilile. Igama lami ngiphilile. Just in case you are new, thank you very much. You are very much welcome and appreciated. Ngicela like video, uyishare, usubscribe, ufake notification bell on. Mangaba akakwenzi lokho. But anyway, you subscribe once bafet for the channel. Please subscribe. But as for ama videos wonke, please consider liking each and every video that you watch. You press like, right? Kuyasiza lokhu ukukhula as a channel. Thank you very much. So still on that episode 8, sikhuluma ngothando nesithembu. We are just touching on things that happened. Unfortunately, guys, you know I cannot bring ama clips nginibonise ukuthi okay lana abadlali bakhuluma bathi because of ama strikes esiwatholayo. Abadlali nathi ke mangabe ke waposta nje a small clip noma ngabe is few seconds long bazokustrike abafethu, so it's better to even manje bengisamute kuqala ngimute bese ngiyayenza i-voice over, but for now I feel like, you know what, ithi ngenze lokho engikwenzayo because ngizoba nama-strike bese ngigcina ngiba nenkinga, you know. So I'm still talking about Thando Nesithembu season 8 episode 8 where sibone ubaba uMsamsele eqhubeka ne-conversation noMamayeni, which for me it did not end well, kodwa bebebonisana bakhulumile bazwene. Even though it was just a heated one, right? Ko mama yena ngathi unyanyile nje when it comes to mhlambe impatho whatever lokho abangazwani ngakho lapha ekhaya, especially when it comes to uThobile. We know they don't see eye to eye. That was in the beginning of the episode. Sibona ke futhi ehlala phansi nendodakazi yakhe uSne exoxisana noSne ngebehavior yakhe nokuthi nje like wherever she speaks, I think uSne makhuluma ngomndeni wakhe ebantwini akawukhulumi kahle, mhlambe indlela abona ephathwa ngakhona uSne ekhohle ukuthi is the behavior, indlela aziphethe ngakhona abantu, they look at that and then they react the way ayenza ngakhona bese bengasamthathi serious naye ebese hambe ebantwini mhlambe ya ubaba mina, you know, yeah vele mangabe nemakhumalo, you know, something like that. So he was just talking about behavior kaSne nokuthi amchazele ukuthi yingani ngenza kanjalo Sne, ngisuke ngizama ukuqondisa igwegwe because I do that because I'm trying to correct you ezinye izinto, you know. And then I see again laphana ehleli phansi noMayeni, he tried to ask uMayeni if he can then now bring uMakhwela, as we know ukuthi now uMakhwela is there, wife number 5 uSamke Khwela, kuthiwa ngasendaweni khona lapha eMzumbe. So uyamtshela ke uMamayeni ukuthi can I bring her now, can I please, uyacela phela bring her ngizom-introduce. Avela athi uMayeni nje mina makuyimiki cela nje ungangihlanganisi naleyo meeting yakhe ukuthi uzofuna ukuthi simeet mina ungangifaki. He tried begging when it comes to Mamayeni. Ayingathi ngoba vele ukwasa kwatiswe indaba kaThobile nokuthi nje indaba insurance wahamba nje kwakukhulunywa ngeemoto bangazwana enkulumeni ngoba uThobile vele noMayeni azibonani, right? So now he tried uvele nje uMamayeni akekho mnandi ngalokho, wazi waphuma sizwile ukuthi ukubo kayeni akekho laphana. That's why bemitha nje laba mitha khona mangabe kunezinto kumele bakhulume ngazo bayamitha, and then that particular meeting was just about that. So uye wacela ke ukuthi ke introduce uMakhwela, wabonakala engekho interested, and then sabona ke ehlangana noMangwabe. There's a particular part where ngibone ehlangana noMangwabe ezombuza ke ukuthi njengoba besuke edineni nje wayibonakala edineni engekho mnandi, wagcina phela ethe yena ke uma engelanywa noMangwabe based on isithembiso ababa naso yena ke nobaba uMsamsele ukuthi uzobe last born lapha ekhaya akazi ukwelanywa. Manje uma ngabe ke eselanywa uzohamba manje ngoba ke nanku Nkosi yami usevele welanywa sekukhona uSamke Khwela wife number 5. So baba uMsamsele ungazi uzama ukuyovimba lapha uzama ukuyovimba lapha na ayincengele Nkosi yami uMthombeni ukuthi abuze ke kuMangwabe ukuthi manje njengoba kukhanya ngathi amabheki akho nje asegate angasemnyango, ungibekaphi ntombazana, uyahamba noma mhlambe awuhambi ngibe kwazi ukuthi ngilungisela kumele ngilungise khona. He was trying shame, and I feel like uMangwabe, she's not really giving him the answer that he wants, you know. Uyasho ukuthi kahle sasivumelana ukuthini uMangwabe lo ukuthi mina ngangitheni, washo athi baba uMsamsele kangithi manje wawuthi uzohamba manje ngisafuna ukwazi ukuthi ngabe usaqhubeka ngale plan yakho noma mhlawumbe hayi uyangizwela ke ntombi uyahlala. It's like she's not really giving a straight answer, afraid. But according to me, I feel like she's not going anywhere. Ufuna nje ukuqinisa lelana lokuthi ngiyahamba, you know, ukwenza ukuthi umthombeni aqhubeke mhlambe ezincengela, aqhubeke nje eba nale nto yokuthi yazi nginewari ngomangwabe uyahamba esazini ukuthi akahambi. I think that's what she's doing there, umangwabe bafethu. I can see exactly what she's trying to do. Ufuna nje ubaba uMsamsele aqhubeke ngale war, aloku enewar ukuthi she knows deep down ukuthi she's not going anywhere. You know what I mean? So they met for dinner there, and then they were out eating. What discussana indaba yokuhamba, even though I feel like he's not happy ubaba uMsamsele because he didn't get the answer that he wanted. Uyahamba noma uyahlala. Waqina nje ugele ukuthi isagcina esikhulumile lokho engangushilo, so angazi mali ukungibuza into eyodwa, you know, like akafuna ukuthi asho straight ukuthi hayi ngizohlala. She's not giving a straight answer ngoba ufuna ahlale nje ekhathazekile, something like that. Bese we see again, finally this time he goes to meet uMakhumalo. Remember people were so bored after eat dinner where he went checking on Umayeni, checking on Umangwabe, going back to Mama Macele, no checking of uMakhumalo. People were like, Mthembeni, what are you trying to say? You are checking everyone else besides Thobile. But I feel like, for me, I felt like yena noThobile then yazi uMthembeni noThobile ngathi esayidini ngale ziyazana zimpintshi ngathi like ziyazana siware hayi uMthembeni wayengenzanga uThobile, this is not fair ngale behind the scenes. I feel like ugel alright nje usuke lungisiwe nje lungiselwe futhi. I feel like you know what I mean. But anyways, because we did not see them sitting and talking, you know what, we just saw him going kamayeni ayobheka umayeni aya kaMangwabe ayemeka sure ukuthi uMangwabe kathwala ngikhwama zakhe wabuyela kaMacele wangabe salungu zakhe uMakhumalo ukuthi gele ufike kahle. Yona yaphatha abantu kahle, mina ngifila ngathi kodwa yona yayi right behind the scenes, right? But anyways, andisikhuluma ngesikubona on our screens yabhora abantu le nto. Finally this time around simbona nje ekamayeni, simbona ekaMangwabe, simbona futhi ekaMakhumalo. I think ngoba phela kumele sinseseqedile ngale noma mkhulu use introduceile kuMakhwela njengoba ke wayishilo ukuthi okay ngizoletha uMakhwela wamletha kumamkhulu. Manje he's trying to make sure ukuthi these three ngapha ke la kunzima khona kunzima ngabe umamkhulu wayevele wamkele number 5 nakudala. Lezi ezingapha umuntu wayengcono ngoma-K azange abe nesikhalo kangaka. Uma ngabe nomayeni, he really needed to make sure he goes to beg them and ask them, can I now tell you who she is from where? Bese ngicela ke ukumletha. I think that is what he's trying to do then. Then he goes to meet Makhumalo. Amtshela ke ngoMakhwela ukuthi okay, usamke wakakhwela lo muntu bengicela ukuthi ngimlethe ngikwazi ukumintroduce. Hayi ugeli naye uzwakala ngathi hayi phela wakho lo. Like guys, ubani owamkela uMakhwela like uMacele ayi1. I feel like umamkhulu oyi1 owamkela uMakhwela bengithembile ukuthi uThobile she's gonna be very welcoming. I feel like akana ndaba nje ugirl. I feel like uzitshele yabona lento ayikhuluma last uThobile ukuthi umkaMthombeni phela loyo you know ukuthi mina ngizizwa njani ukufika kwakhe, angizizwi kanjani, ama feelings ami athina wathini. Ayifuni mina nje ukudokela igayile mina umkaMthombeni abangene nje ngale ndlini yabo bahlale lapho bathandanele lapho, whatever it is what's going on. I feel like all three of them uMthombeni akazange athole impendulo right. Umayeni uthi please when it comes to me ungangitry ke but uMangwabe uvele nje uthi ngangitheni kuwe mina ngoba wayethe vele uzo replace yena uMakhwela, which means uma uMthombeni emletha nje ethi nqonqonqo ngiza noMakhwela angeke kuze kube mnandi. So uThobile naye uthi angingeni nje angifuna ukuyazi mangabe khona uMakhwela. I feel like uThobile she does not want to ikhona into ethi kimi kodwa uThobile you know like uthanda uthemba abantu besebeshile ukuthi hayi yabona le nto uthanda uthemba ziya act ezinye zakho is not real. uThobile she's very welcoming when it comes to that girl. That is just for the camera when it comes to me. That is just for us but when deep down I know Thobile is okay, Gomakwela. You know what I mean, Buffett. But anyways, we're talking about what we see on our screens. He met all the three of them. Ayobacela ukuthi ucela ukuthi aba at least he was telling them ukuthi okay ngusamke ngwakakhwela ngwala endaweni eMzumbe. Everyone was like, how la? Like understanding wala eduze, you know, even kwayena umamkhulu, she was shocked ukuthi bathu babomzamisele ukuthanda amantombazana la around, since we know ukuthi kwathiwa ke ngubani wayengiwa around bese umakhumalo naye ngiwa around something, or kwathi umama kaSne, I think umamkhulu uthi umama kaSne obengwa around bese kuzuthobile naye ngwasemzumbe, manje ngumakhwela naye ngwasemzumbe. So but hayi ubaba umzamisele kungathi uthandani abaseduze, ngathi ufuna laba abaziwa, akafuni kwelanda umuntu akude le angamazi, ufuna laba seduze azi ukuthi bakhuliswe kanjani, ebakhulela emndenini enjani, into ekanjalo nje. So everyone is just shocked ukuthi umakhwela ngwasendaweni. Ngibonile umakhumalo eba shocked, sabona umamkhulu eba shocked, even noma yeni nayo uthi, you know, lento yokuthi nje uthanda abantwana baseduze, something like that. But yeah, I think he did clarify ukuthi ungcono umuntu okhule embhekile amaziyo, okazi nokuthi ukhuliswe kanjani, kuyodonsa umuntu wakude ongamazi nokuthi like kunjani kubo, ukhuliswa kanjani, ukhuliswa umndeni onjani. I think that is what he's trying to run away. But anyways, yeah, that was just him introducing umakhwela to the other three wives, just telling them ukuthi who she is from when, then uzama ukubancenga ukuthi aze naye. It looks like no one is welcoming. Angazi mhlambe masibuka ke the next episodes sizobona mhlambe bezama ukuzwakala ukuthi bathini, because at this particular point akekho ufuna ukumitha umakhwela. I'm shocked. Why am I saying I'm shocked? And I'm not shocked. I think I'm shocked when it comes to Thobile, because I thought she's going to be very welcoming. I think wethiswe ukuthi kuthiwa wasemzumbe lo mntwana, you know what I mean? Maybe nje ukuthi uyathatha number 5 wenza nakanandaba, but the fact that ukuthi kuthiwe wasomzumbe, that one I could see from her face ukuthi she was like, what? Okay, but anyways, you guys, we're gonna do another video when it comes to the next episode. Support. Thank you so much for watching this video. We like it, we share it, and yeah, spin the spoon and video. Bye.